So let's make these cheesy stuffed pasta shells. They're super flavorful, filling, and perfect for a little weeknight meal. So I'm gonna start with some grapeseed oil in a skillet on medium high, and I'm going to be using ground turkey for this recipe. I'm gonna break that ground turkey down and season it really good. I use seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and pepper. I know it looks like a lot, but ground turkey is really bland, so you really have to season it. I also like to go in with a little Worcestershire sauce for a little coloring and flavor as well. I let that meat cook down, and then I'm gonna add in some chopped onion, bell pepper, and minced garlic and give it a nice mix. I'm gonna also add in some spinach so that it could be healthy, and then I let the spinach cook down and it should look something like this. Now I'm gonna go in with a jar of pasta sauce. I'm using this olive oil and garlic flavor. You can use any one you want, but I'm just going to stir and make sure it's all well combined. Now I'm going to take a cast iron skillet and I'm going to coat the bottom with a little more of that sauce. Off camera, I also went ahead and cooked my jumbo pasta shells according to the directions on the box, and now it's time to assemble. So I just put a little cheese at the bottom, and I also scoop some of that meat in the shell. Once my pan is filled, I'm going to top it off with some mozzarella cheese. You can also add some more of your meat sauce on top if you have any left, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven on 375, covered for about 15 minutes, and voila.